The Executive Director, African Network for Environment and Economic Justice, ANEEJ, Reverend David Ugolo, said on the repatriation of the Abacha Loot, which was returned to Nigeria by Swiss government, ANEEJ wrote to different organs of government on the appropriate utilization of the funds for the betterment of the society. Reverend Ugolo said the federal government was responsive to the request by ANEEJ, with MATRA being the NG house to monitor the processes of the disbursement, and maintained that about 20 states were captured.
We have also shown the level of distribution, who has benefited, and some of the issues that we have also identified during the monitoring process, particularly in the areas where there are low awareness. We have also again shown data to demonstrate that the figure, people who also have been shortchanged by external parties. We have also identified some areas where there have been some malpractice, and we have also seen how we have also complained to the authority through the grievance mechanism in the NCTO.
Reverend Ugolo, who hailed the federal government for increasing names of direct beneficiaries of the funds in the social register from 2.6 million to 3.6 million people, said ANEEJ is closely monitoring the process to ensure that the poorest of the poor benefit from the funds. The Deputy Director at ANEEJ, Comrade Leo Ataku, said partners in the processes of the repatriated funds, National Cash Transfer Office and National Academy of Sciences Committee on Oceanography, NASCO, are working hard with ANEEJ and MATRA to ensure that the new states who earlier declined the registration processes are captured to benefit from the funds.
What we have found out is that the National Social Register, which is the framework with which they use in disbursing this money, was designed by Nigerian government with support from the World Bank. And in that social register, state governments were having responsibility to provide the infrastructure for such names to be formulated. But unfortunately, most governors in the South and Southeast did not invest more of their priority on the issue.
The people who compiled the list, from our findings so far, they tried in terms of preparing the list. And what we have also found out in the field was that government was able to make these lists available to us, so that as we go to the field, we have full data of those that are going to receive the money.
According to Reverend David Ugolo, ANEEJ and MATRA will monitor the disbursement of the $322.5 million to ensure that the poorest of the poor benefit, most especially to cushion the effects of COVID-19. Wellington Akodeja reporting.